How to delete your account on Score Hero. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're thinking about starting fresh or just want to remove your profile from your Score Hero account, do not worry at all. I'll guide you through the step by step on how to delete your Score Hero account safely. First of all, launch open the Score Hero game on your device, and once you're inside, go to the upper right corner and tap on your profile icon or the avatar. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on the eye icon, and then on the next page, click on Delete Profile. Make sure that you want to delete your profile. This will erase all of your personal data, including your progress and purchases. And once complete, this cannot be undone, so make sure you are making a wise choice or you really want to do this. If you really want to delete your account, then simply tap on delete and you'll be able to delete your account right away. So there you go, that's how you easily delete your Score Hero account. Your account deletion request will be sent and it will take 7 days, 23 hours in order to delete your account. So if you want to cancel the request, you can also do so. Simply open up the game and click on cancel request to undo the deletion. After it is crossed 7 days, you will not be able to cancel the request or regain access to your profile. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.